This is my yard. This is horrible. I'm so sick of the rain. We've had 10 days of rain so far. Yeah, and it just keeps getting worse. Can't mow. Grass is, some areas is shin high. Other areas is thigh high. Yeah. Not good. As you can hear, all the chickens are out. Just look at this mess. So sick of this. I know in July and August I'll be screaming for it, but I'm going to show y'all the cattle lot. It's bad. Cows keep coming to it though. Oh. Yeah. Look at this mess. What are you girls doing? You found a dry spot, huh? Cows are doing good. Lovey's laying down. They always go to that shed. What are you ladies doing? What are you ladies doing? It's time for them to go to freezer camp. So I'll be doing that this week, and no, I will not put it on video. There's my quackers. There's a few more of the windows that River Mountain's got to come get. What are you doing? What are you doing? We haven't named the babies yet, so all we have is females right now. We got to get us a buck. Well, we got that buck. Look how much he's growing, y'all. For the ones that don't know, we lost our blue boy. And the day Blue Boy died, this is going to be the stupidest story y'all ever heard, probably. Because I still really can't believe it. Blue told me, he said, "Mama, there's somebody at the shelter waiting on you." I said, "Blue, I don't want another dog." It's walked on for 4 days. And I was driving by the shelter and I heard plain as day, "Mama, stop, there's somebody waiting on you." So I go to the shelter. There's beautiful Bella. Look how dirty she is. There's Miss Piggy. Anyway, I heard "Mama, stop." I go to the shelter. Here's Bolt. And go to the door, it says by appointment only due to the C19. So I turn around and I said, "Well, Blue," I said, "not today, buddy." Before I could get turned around and walk completely off, a man comes to the door and he says, "May I help you?" My driveway. I said, well, this is probably going to sound like the craziest story you ever heard. And I said, you'll probably think I'm crazy because my husband tells me I'm nuttier than a squirrel turd. He said, what is it? I said, well, my dead dog told me there's somebody waiting on me up here. And he got this look on his face, and he said, I know exactly who he's talking about. And I looked at this man. He said, I don't think you're crazy at all. And I'm thinking, yeah, right. He said, do you want to see him? I said, no, just go. Do you want to see it? I said, no, just go get it and give me the paperwork. So I started filling out the paperwork. This man comes out with him. He slid down. I seen him and started bawling because he looked exactly like Blue did when Blue was a puppy. And I'll insert a picture of Blue here. After Blue was grown. Well, I'll probably put a picture of him when he was a puppy, and then put a picture of him when he was grown. And when they brought that dog out, that dog seen me and just started roar, 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 talking to me. And all I could do was bawl. So I put the dog in the vehicle. I go to my husband's work and I said, you cannot tell me that wasn't Blue telling me to go to the shelter. He said, Dana, you better not have got another dog. I opened up that vehicle, that pup jumped out, ran straight to Rick. And it looked just like Blue, and tears come down Rick's face with a big old smile. So they're gonna run through the chickens. Anyway, we've had Buck now. Oh, let's see, Blue died the 13th of April. So we've had Buck a little over a month now. We ended up getting him on the 17th of April. He was 12 weeks old when we got him. So I had, or was it, no, he was 14 weeks old when we got him. So he's probably about 23 weeks old now. And he's already that big. Blue was a Great Dane Mastiff. Buck is a Great Dane Shepherd. So it was just weird. The guy didn't know that Blue was a Great Dane. He didn't know nothing about him. And he knew exactly who to go get. That was just weird. So it had to been Blue talking. But I wanted to give y'all an update on the critters. And there's the turkey, or one of them. The other one's over there under that trailer. There's turkeys. Turk. What you do? What you do, Turk? My poor ugly rooster.